Hey guys, Capper here and welcome back. This is part of the mini series we've been working over at Phil's farm here in southern Illinois. So today is just going to be the segment of Phil hopping in my RX7320 with the homemade chisel disc. As you'll see at the end of the video, when I show you the after look, we're not disking this up for a really fine seed bed. It's more of a rough seed bed. And I'm going to ask Phil at the end, like, don't you want to go over it, another pass or two and really smoothen it out? And he'll give his response as to why he wants to keep it kind of rough at the end of this video. So hope you enjoy it. As always, if you do, please hit the like button. We appreciate that, and consider subscribing to join us on all of our fun land management adventures. All right, let's get back to the RX. All right, so this next little spot he's going to go over is where Eric just ground up one of the stumps. So you'll see he does lift it a little bit, but then he'll set it down and rip through some of the roots. So that's why he's grinding the stumps in this food plot, so that he can plant the entire thing and not have, stump obstacles in the future. Going over a freshly ground stump right here.
So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. 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 All those little moments, the bites you did